Hello guys, it's me, your lady Edos, the lady of truth. Ofune with white. Oja. Hi. This message now to Asaboro. Hi. You Asaboro, You know they understand. Odawa Gmorie. Asaboro, the live video where you do for Nora, not good. You understand. Asaboro, you understand. You can't do na yagbera ne. Ya talo oga isunu yo wa o medo yegbe. Hey o. Asaboro, bontaye dete osalobo awe no ne umemo wa talawe na ahụ ana osalobo ajive we no wa yemi money ni Jesu ayigo ya domo bege na sef mo bege minuta nuna bije Nora emonime emona uro waiva ulo vie use kinya wo wani umemi no sunu fo my you are using what is happening on media to judge Mama Nora. Oh, well, oh, God. Dete ye Nora, dete me ave money ya fefe webo gario ya video ni. O die. Ye Nora na ehime kedegbe. And embo ye 20. When before Mama Nora I can't talk like that. May you know say what I don't pass Gary. Wetin Mama Nora dey talk ma for mat. Na true to. Una dey blame am. He said Enogie no go school. Enogie no dey hear Dutch. 11 years for Dutch line. Enogie no dey hear Dutch. Asaboro, you no see all those things. You dey join Enogie for that kind thing. Why? Okay, Enogie na your friend. I don't understand. No. Wetin you do Mama Nora so e no good. Asaboro, e no good. You don't understand. I can never judge people with what I see on media again. Never. That one don't finish. Iyawa malawa. I ain't Enogie. Mama Nora, see that woman don't tire. Never a bag more woman or a big boy. Not be the life which she expects, not be she gets. I go. They say that they pray, make them not born for bad man. For man, we be say, when you go they talk, say, my man not good though, my man not good though. People not go listen to her. They go they talk, say, and like they talk. Asaboro, you don't know what it be stress of children though. Even one, only one like this, but you go tell you. Which one are they try to talk, say, respect the man. Don't say that again. Don't say that again. Why you tired? Mona stop her. Make una dey help the men also. No, this one is not good. See that woman where the husband buy for France. The husband buy him 5 days. The man not tell anybody. Now sell her this nice platform. I shock. The man they carry children, they go school. The woman don't buy for inside house. Maybe now push, you just push the woman now the woman you follow there. You never can say. Maybe. Which one be say, oh, you just insult Mama Nora. You not fit tell Enogie, say make Enogie go school, make Enogie serious for his life. Do you know what is abroad? See, if Enogie not do all these things when Mama Nora talk, it's finished. It's finished. 11 years, nothing to write home about. 11 years. You people are on social media talking about respect your husband, don't insult the husband, wife, don't insult the husband. Before all those things happen, what did the man do? Now they look down. Now only that mama Nora, now they take care of all those children. I know say na she born them. I know say na she born them. But now you remove Enogie like that. Now they insult woman where they bath children, where they give children food, where they oroto or rukunyokba. Now they insult her. It's painful. It is heartbroken. If she is depressed, she cannot take care of those children. The government will take them. Any woman who have children, you have to know how you talk to those women on social media. It's dangerous. The woman can be depressed. She cannot even see eye to take care of those children again because of thinkness. It's not good, Asaboro. You are a single woman. See the way you are insulting a woman with 4 little children. You will finish to do your life video, Asaboro. You go enter inside house. Nobody will say, Mama, come and give me food. You insult the one way you insult, that one get plenty children, small one. If you listen to that video, the thing go dey pain now. To even give the children food, nowhere. It's not good like that. Your video was not good. Believe me, it was not good. Yeah, you say me mama Nora go school. Remember, this is abroad. Now men they collect water. Woman no go suffer for abroad there. You don't know Igbo. The respect women pass any of that thing. All of us are supposed to advise Enogie. Make it do the right thing. Anybody will talk to Enogie, now like Enogie. Yes. You know right thing suffer if she concentrates on those children, she can never suffer. Mama Nora no go suffer like. Now only when she lose guard, she don't come to see I tell look them. Now that the government will carry. If she concentrates, she no go suffer. Okay, I enjoy. Enogie, one at the joint, so Enogie go collect. He go collect woto. Enogie will be rather useless. Enogie, if you want to listen to person, listen to me now. Go school. See how you go do before it is too late. This video, keep on. So that when you go down late, you go say, I'm ready to tell this in that time. I like you as a brother. You are going to lose everything to Mama Nora. You don't know. Oh God. Enogie, go and look for how you are going to do this thing. Help yourself. I cannot help you. I cannot do it for you. Now only to talk, now if you talk for here. I know if you can't say me, they come here, I can't help you. You have to help yourself now. You have to think what you are going to do. Social media, boss is not going to save you. People will only carry the video and use to make a video for their self. They will play your voice. Finish. Do something. You say me, I be your muzzle. You insulted me. You insulted. Not remove anything from my body because I know where I be. I don't be your muzzle. See what is happening. If there's something they talk, I won't be your muzzle. But I don't want to insult you because if I insult you, John, the one way you did, what will be my gain? I'm not gaining anything. No? It's of no use. I'll not be your muzzle at all. Nya weta nerum na ya hiari. An nerum waga me yane na ne swedo gioma giwe not to destroy we. Now prayer. That is what happened to me before. But God removed me from there. Yeah. I thank God for my life. I still thank God. I cannot even open my mouth and insult anybody. Because if you see where I from they come, okay, can you agbe powder now? Yes. God save me. And as God saved me, nobody will come out on media and insult me. And I will not the person. I will not insult that person. Rather, I will say, thank you for your insult. Thank God for saving my life. Now I go talk. Because I can make, where I from the come? No, what can I do? Knife from the corn. This is not time to say, open the kill you. You demand. I see something. I'm not insult again. Now let the person where they involved, now I go insult. Live the presenter insult me now. I not go insult them because now what they see for media. Now they talk to me. They don't know what happen. I not go insult them. The person where be one finish me, now I go insult. Yes. So Asaboro, all that video where you do, it not make sense. It not go anywhere. You they do that video, make Enogie the base Zua again. Make Enogie no see anything for life. I pray make Enogie no Zua. Okay? Enogie. See, all waiting your wife talk, not truth. You they do those things. When you they quarrel with Mama Nora, you not go they play with the children again. When you go settle with Mama Nora, now that they play with the children again. What do you think is that? Are you a baby? Do you know what God give to you? Give to you. A lot of people they are looking for this opportunity that you have. They don't have it. They don't have it. Many of your mates, and they spoke Igbo, they go. They are Igbobian, Enogie. Many of your mates, they don't get paper. They be so now 40 years, 40 something. No paper. Igbo, no woman. For this abroad, then they even they do shoroti. I see some for Belgium, self, black, Nigeria, for front of Carrefour. Nothing what they get. You have this opportunity. 4 lovely kids. You they do this thing. What is wrong with you? Now the side chick way the way you say you they carry see agbonga ilogo we. Umanaria me ne meredo sita. Agbonga ilogo we. Asaboro will not come and rescue you. She will be the one to use to do live video again. At that time. Of a view. Yes. Say. Asaboro, please, please. That video was not good. No? You are insulting Mama Nora. You are telling her that she don't have respect. What is respect got to do with all these things that she was saying? That the man not go school. The man not they speak Dutch. Do you know that I take appointment on phone with French? I do everything with French. Yes. The government call me. The Ogbalegbe call me. We speak French. I pay my bills by myself. I read letters by myself. Do you know what is that? In Europe? If you cannot do all these things, you are finished. Yeah? That is what Enogie don't know. They will call Enogie, the German authority will call Enogie. Enogie will be asking German if they speak English, and you are in their country for 11 years. Nobody want to tell you the truth because you will saga them. What saga do you want to saga? Now, person when they fail your saga, now I go fail your saga. Me, Edos. When you were insulting me, I was just laughing because I know where I'm coming from. I know what God did for me. It did not even do me anything. Yeah. German will call you. You go, they say you speak English. I don't speak Dutch for 11 years. And you have children there. And your children, they are looking up to you. You, their father, you are nothing to write home about. Nothing. And people are coming here out to say, Mama Nora don't have respect. Who is talking about respect? Maybe it's a prank. I don't know. To other people out there, if you are in this kind of a situation, please, make sure you come out there. I'm not angry. I'm talking to somebody. No, I'm not angry. I'm not angry. Lie. I'm so happy. I am so happy. Okay? I'm so happy. I thank God for my life. Yeah. So that is it. Enogie, go and look for something to do. Go to school. Some people, they will say for them to go to school for a year and 6 months, they rather work. Do you know that when you are in a country, you go to school in that country, that's your certificate of you go to school. It's going to help you in the front. You don't see people where they don't spend 15 years for Europe or 20 years, they don't get their 5 years. You get something where they want, they go tell them say make they go school before they come get that thing. Why you not just get them when you just come? That is it. Schooling in a country is very, very important. People don't understand it. They will ask you one day for one office where you say you need very important thing. Don't say, where is your school certificate? You will say you don't have. They will ask you to go to school. Who do I have here? Yes. Enogie, go to school. Start. You have your platform. You will still be making money from your platform. Yes, now. Start school now. I don't want to say you are lazy. You understand me? What is all this? It's not easy. God made something for this abroad. You wake up around 5:30. Yes. Now all these things now they pain Enogie. Now you know if you do. You eat jeme. You know, then born you well. You will set alarm. You go set alarm. You get up that time. So I may reach that place where you go whether na work, whether na school. Now they worry Enogie. You're welcome. Now they worry and so Enogie. Then said I don't know how I'm going to talk to you. I don't know. I don't know. Something go spoil for you, finish. The luck that you still have now is because you are still with Mama Nora. When the Jama will be angry and put you outside, it's finished. You will suffer. Yes. You are in Europe. You don't have documents. You did not go to school. You say you have your platform. Remember, platform can fall. Yes. Not be person where they comfortable. Not being the platform. When they go don't drive you come up from Mama Nora house. Come up from Nuna house now. You can't find one room up and down. You don't go even set to self. Person will not settle now want to do a live video. Then people will not be laughing at you. Your followers, they will be even leaving you one after the other. And they follow you because of Mama Nora and those children. You don't know it. You don't understand. You think that people are happy for you. They are jealous of you. I'm the only one telling the whole truth here and right now. If you lose your family, you are going to regret. All your fans, they are going to leave you. They will not be mocking you. No paper, no good apartment, nothing. Mama Nora did not come out and be talking like this. If you be man, where you responsible, where you know what to be family, you think that woman will come out on air and be talking like that? No, I don't think so. Any small thing, respect man. Now so now go say respect man before you know the men now they will not be suffering. They will not be suffering. The men many men they don't have sense. Now women now they carry them, they go home and abroad. When the woman don't come up for their hand, don't they cry? Me, I not join for all those na respect man. Me, venu ture, eri tulelewa. Yes, venu ture, ibe tulelewa very oni. Yes, that is just me. I don't have time. If I carry you I respect you, I do everything for you. You don't see what I do for you. Now you can know. The time when I will take verse, you don't already late. You can't the person will come suffer. The man will come suffer. Jesus Christ. Make this man make you go look for work. Not be even work first. Make you start school. He Jimmy abroad. Start from somewhere now. Start from somewhere. They say make Mama Nora go school. Mama Nora no say that one don't make him. That one don't make him. Even though she not go school, it not concern him. So far, make she just Mama Nora. Listen to me. Concentrate in those children. Okay, we get where we are. Okay. Nothing will happen to you. You will not suffer. How my man Nora take go school or anywhere with those children with them small like that? They are too small. She go, I be mother. I know it's not they talk. Now let woman will never get children. Now I go say, hey, my Nora, what you they do? Work bajari. Hey, amazing, Not Asaboro, not be like you where you never get battalion. See, me I pray, may you get children Asaboro. Now the best thing where I go like make it happen to you Asaboro. Then I'll come the laugh. Now you me I'll come the watch that time. Or anytime you enter video, I'll come the watch you. Make I see the stress for your eye. Your body will tell you. Every night that time go reach now Asaboro, you will see and you say me ready to talk. That time you know they talk about respect man again. Unless you want to do content. Unless now you about the talk and a content you they create. Yes, me I can never I go straight to the point. I say the truth. Yes, I know they do content. Respect man. If your man respects you as a woman, you will respect the man back. That is how I say it. You cannot be respecting a goat. You cannot be respecting a mumu man who will not get sense. What is that? You cannot be respecting an imbecile man. Man will be imbecile, you will respect him. Does it make sense? There are a lot of imbecile men out there. You expect me to respect those kind of a men. I will so beat that man. I will. That man will even conclude to myself. Mumu men, no. Don't go there. No, don't go there. So that is it. Asaboro. No good. Okay? That your video, I will keep them. I must keep that video. So that when you go born, you don't pay. That time you call the laugh. Yes. You don't talk your you go eat spaghetti and vegetable soup. Only you. Mama Nora where you cost now. That one. The Nora they gather like this. Do you know what is that? Oh, Mama. You don't understand, Asaboro. Well, me man wa me na. The man, egbe. I go beat the egbe. The okpia if you not take time, we're talking about life. How you are going to be okay in your head, everything fine. Talking, respect egbe, respect the husband, respect the nonsense, respect the rubbish. Everybody get their life. Yes, everybody get their life. The husband, egbe, will not respect themselves. Ugbeme, awagbiya. Because you need your mental health to be in order. Yes, now. Many people today, they don't define because of husband matter, husband people, woman matter, the wife matter, the wife people. Some men, their head not defined again because of all this nonsense. Then your mental health will be fine. The way I'm very fine right now. Edos is back. Now I'm very fine. Oh my goodness. This is just the beginning. If they did not stop, if they did not, they will hear from me. So, I beg, all this thing when they talk, it's not good. Everybody need to be okay in their life. Another person not go feel make you not come okay because of you want to respect your wife-in-law or you want to respect your husband-in-law. It's a very useless thing. You need to be fine as a human being. You. Do you understand? Then one hour go ya no why bulldozer ya go ya yo there. The sanity were they okay? Yes. Do not play. You understand? Do not play. When I have things in my body, when I have many things, I don't, as in, oh God, I'm just happy. See the way I can't feel like bird now. I never finish. I see the wait. Make I hear pain. Now then I go hear story. Go even Asaboro, everybody. Why are they like baby? Why be Jesus? Edos, wherever I know a lot of things. A lot. But I leave everything for God. Now I'm fine. I'm okay. Nobody should come close to me. Nobody should cross my path as I did fine now. I don't go back to my normal self now. Nobody should cross. Go. Me, I did my lane. As I always say, I thank God for my life. So, Enogie, go and see what you will do. Okay? Do something. Be fast about it. 11 years in Deutschland? 11 years. 11 years. Nothing. And you said me, I'm a Muslim. You were praying in my head. You said your fans, you said they should not be useless, senseless like Edos, or useless like Edos. That was your prayer for me. Your prayer point for me. If you know what I am capable of doing in Belgium, you will even be calling me to put you through to help you. Yes. Let's say I know they want to talk to anybody. Anybody who call me for solution, I will refer them to Google. Yes, I know they do all those things. You call me, Edos, like always, you help you, maybe Belgium, man, I Google. So that's it. I not be a Muslim at all. Okay? Even women wouldn't talk say Oyibo, they help woman for abroad. If the woman not get sense, they will still carry the children from her. The woman can't just go. Yes. So any woman will be say there for this abroad, that the children deal with them. Respect those women. They try. We try. We too much. Not be my mind, not be beans. Yes. Not be easy thing. So, Enogie, you are on your own. Now only unite day like this. Mama Nora and the children, they like this. All of them. You see and say, social media, you just follow all the lives that they go. I see you for Asaboro, you they comment, they put. For you to go to real life and say, what am I going to do now? You they comment for live video. Hey, Okokobioko, you don't understand. You are not even anything now. Yes, you not even get level. No paper, nothing. You not get level. You just only have your platform. Please be prayerful. Yes. They go manipulate you. You can't be naked over your agua. Be prayerful. Please. I don't tell you, say, if you need person, we go help you for prayer, you they go through stress, they go through many things. Come meet me, that one I will help you. I'll carry you, give person, we go help you. I know many of them. Yes, okay? I know many of them. I will even choose in one way is strong person I will carry you, give. Okay? Because look at you now. You see, even or small picking go no say no get. They don't do you. They don't say that they do you this one. Mama Nora and the lovely children, they're there for one side. Now only you when I stand so no get. You know say and say something is about to happen. You have to be fast. Okay? You have to be fast. I can help you. Yeah, you can come. I will help you. Yes, so that everything will be okay for you. If you want, I'll help you. Now, bye-bye. Love you guys so much. Choose. Asaboro. How you say the thing where I talk? You rhyme now. Not the cause woman will get plenty children. Because we have plenty of dog. Yes. You still get plenty children one day. You come say and say, yeah, those not true she talk. Oh. Who husband help? Yeah, husband help a lot of women. Let me not say that. Husband is good in women's life. Yes. I know some women they, if a man do them something or men do them something, don't come out for social media. Men are not good though. Husband is not good though. God forbid husband though. Because your own not good. No. Another man they way good. If you don't want man, you can come out and say, make una carry man or husband good though. But you don't want, you keep it to yourself. Now you know for inside house if you don't want or not. Not be say you come out on life, come they say, hey, my husband not good, whereas not be so. There are a lot of good men there. There are a lot of good women outside there. Yeah. Even you where they talk say you don't want husband. One day you something you feel see man will be say go your hook you. When can be? You did. So where I do you know where you are and I don't need man or man not good where you go forbid. Yeah, where I met the house around. Yeah. Maybe you are very angry right now. Because of that angriness, you say men not good. Okay? If you don't want a man, keep it to yourself. Even with that, still come when you are outside, say, God bless women with a good husband. Even though say you the bitter you don't want. So far we're tired than we know. Working in a way. Yes. Some women they hate, they don't want to use artistic men. They don't want. But those kind of women, one day, you will see man where go catch you. You not go anywhere. Yes. You come to say, I mean you'll be this one. So this man, this person, if he catch me like this, me will not want my day. So nobody will not want man for this life. Let's just be frank and sincere. Maybe it's because you are very angry. What you happen to you just fresh. That's why you are angry. No, not be so. Not be so. Just relax yourself. Yeah. And then be or you. One day, God will give you that man will be saying, "Oh, gele daweji. Oh, we need to look but to make it you be my own." Yes. You did. You go fear happen. Okay. That is it. I love you guys so much. Bye bye for now.